This workshop for publishers, authors and writers is organized by the Lagos State Ministry of Education to create a synergy and ensure uniformity in the books published for the use of students in Lagos State.
Yeah, we are here today to meet with the publishers, the authors and the writers. Those are our clients that write books for public use in Lagos State. So we need to meet with them to fine-tune areas of the major book review, to inform them about the criteria we are going to use for the forthcoming major book review exercise, which is going to be held in 2023, and also to inform them of the new schemes of work that we have just done, to sensitize them about the new areas we have just included, like the learning activities, the online web resources, and the video links, the learning objectives, higher thinking scale of the learning objectives. So we are here to inform them, to sensitize them majorly about the innovations, the new things we have done in the department, and to prepare them for the next major book review exercise.
The need to create e-books was also emphasized, with participants sensitized on the new scheme of work, picture usage, book titles, and age appropriation.
We have realized over the years that most of our books carry objectives. And because they carry objectives, most of the objectives are on lower thinking order. So we shared with them the importance of upscaling their objectives to higher thinking order objectives. After that, we then discuss the general issues concerning approval, the quality of books submitted, areas that we should consider when reviewing the books. We talked about grammaticality, we talked about the length of passages in books, because most of our passages for the lower primary and pre-primary classes are always long, and this affects understanding of the children.
The criteria for assessment of the 2023 book review were also highlighted to prepare these publishers, authors and writers for the task ahead.
I have learned that the revised curriculum is a national curriculum, and Lagos State is able to do so many things that today we are not talking about remembering, which is, what we used to as writers. We know that we want our learners, those who read our books, to remember what they read in their books. But no, from what we've had this afternoon, it has gone beyond reading to learn. It has not come to a point where you read to teach others. You read to impart your knowledge.
I'm taking home one of the other things that authors and publishers can actually help to improve the learning outcomes of our children, taking into consideration the content of their books, things that are approved by law, by our tradition, our culture, have been highlighted, and the fact that we must make enough effort to domesticate our books. We are Nigerians, we are Africans. Our children must learn within the Nigerian and the African concept.
Participants were advised to publish their works in line with the state scheme of work and national curriculum to prevent rejection after publication.